Sonia Miller of Junkin Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog called Living the Creative Life. Today is going to be a fun edition. I really feel, because I've got my sister here in the other seat with me, say hello. You gonna say hello? Hello. You gonna lean in and say hello? Oh, she is over there. Do it. Hey, which one is Sonia and which one isn't, right? Can you tell the difference? She's like, I like your shirt today. I'm like, I like your shirt today. Show them the shirt you're wearing today. I love the shirt she has on. It says, what is it? Vibe with me. Vibe with me. I'm like, where'd you get that shirt? So it's fun to hang out with your sister. So today we're gonna go Junkin, and yesterday in the vlog you saw that we pulled some things together really cheaply on a dime. Everything in that room, I swear to God, is completely, I've either junked for it, thrifted for it, or found it on sale or in a clearance shop. You know what I'm saying? A discount store. So that is just the way I roll. That's my jam. So it's also my sister's jam. So today we're gonna jam out together. We're literally gonna probably put on some good music. Yeah, good music. Tunes. Yes, absolutely. It is a great day to hit the road. There's nothing but blue skies, and it's Memorial Day weekend, so you know as well as I do that there's lots of people having yard sales, just throwing their junk out and going, take it, get rid of it. So we're gonna stop, we're gonna fuel up. I probably should get some cash out because you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, if I see any good stuff. And we got tons of space. So we've got two of the seats taken out of the van here. We got a big wide open space, and it's just me and her and big wide open roads. Woohoo! You ready to go?
Behind the scenes.
We saw a yard sale sign, so we are going to pull over and see what we can find over here, my friends. It's kind of cool. Look at that, guys. I love to buy these. Look for $1. You can even, you know, paint over them if you really wanted to, or paint the frame. Yeah. Got some good books here. Is that a king-size sham? That is a good deal. That is a good $5 for 4 chairs? 4 chairs, Sonia. I kind of like how these are high back, right? Well, they're all high back. Yeah. Anna, I wonder if I should get them. What do you think? If I get them, because I got a table for them. I need chairs. $2 a chair. Sold. We'll take those. Okay. Boom. Oh, look, there's even more back here. Look at that. There you go. With your cocktail. Is that your chair?
Yes, it is.
What? She made you sell your chair.
No, I don't.
Gun rack.
Welcome to married life, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't sit well in those kind of chairs.
That's how you get your vitamin D. You get your suntan. These are so cool.
My husband told me, you don't need this anymore.
Anna, you ever see these? These are parts of like,
What is that?
you know, insulators. Yeah, I love that color.
What do you mean insulators?
You know, like when you see, like telephone poles.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the old ones.
Cool.
This is really cute if you were to spray paint the legs.
Yeah.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
Yes, you get it. This is a cool old tin. This would be a nice planter.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Wouldn't that be a cool planter? It's a thermos. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, but it looks galvanized. I think it is, isn't it? Oh my gosh, turned that into a really cute planter.
Oh
What is it? Anna, those are super.
Aren't they gorgeous?
If you want those, take them.
Oh, yes.
What, these?
Yeah, one of them was broken.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Put some green paint in there with your finger. Way to go. There you go.
It's one for me and one for you. You're the broken one.
Oh, jeez. Thanks, Anna.
2 sisters. Thank you.
Oh,
Sisters always share.
that's right, right? Let's see what Anna found. Anna, that's really cool.
I think it, like, if you had to pay do something shabby chic in that,
In this?
yeah,
For $1?
wouldn't it? Yeah, for $1.
Yeah, let's do that one.
You want to that?
Yeah.
Too?
Yeah.
That is a cool frame.
I like that frame. Yeah. Look at this. I've always wanted the ab lounge. If I bring that home, what's Matt gonna say? He'll say, what in the world? All right, so these are the friends I made on my travels today. What's your name?
Zoe and Wyatt.
Zoe and Wyatt. All right, so I paid the lady my money. We got some good finds. You guys having a great yard sale day today?
Yes.
Is it fun making money?
Yes.
Yes. All right, you guys have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. All right, we are at yard sale number 2. Let's go see what we find. We're gonna head across the road here with everybody else who has their hands on, or their eyeballs on my stuff. love these shoes. It's too big for me though. I think they're meat. They're 10. I wish. There's some shabby flowers on it. That's so cool. I love this trunk. It's really nice. It's a good price onto it.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, that would be a good price.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh wow, that's awesome. There's more down here.
Is it? What? Oh.
No?
I don't know how we get down there. How do we get down there? Look at that. Anna spotted a yard sale in the background. How do we get down there? Maybe there's a road over here we can walk down. Yeah, that's a good price of like not to flip, but just to keep for yourself.
Just to keep it for itself. Yeah. It's really nice detail hat.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Oops. This is kind of cute. Look at that. Little 10 cents. I know. Oh my gosh, look at these.
Like this.
Look at that. Somebody's old stamp collection. How
Like
pretty is
this.
that?
10 cents.
Yes, you got that. Oh, thanks. Look at this. Love that. All right, we found a decorative, really cute, just decorative mirror. You can never have too many mirrors. And Anna spotted this yard sale in the background, so we're gonna head down here now and see what's here and see what we could find. We are definitely in Amish country, guys. It is a beautiful day to be out. Everybody's out and about, enjoying the beautiful weather, the beautiful weekend. Ooh, I'm seeing lots of furniture at this one. This one has definitely potential. What do you think? Look how fast you're walking. Like seriously, my sister's like, you're a fast walker. I'm a fast walker. Yeah, yeah, right. Look, somebody's into upcycling. Oh, how pretty this is.
How great are you,
Yeah, love that. Love that. Oh, guys, look. All right, here we go.
You need your 2 hands for this.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Yeah, I do need my 2 hands for this. Love this lamp. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see here. This is a nice little dresser right here. Look at that, gorgeous. I'm guessing I wonder if the dresser that it goes with is here. Oh, love me some recipe books.
Oh, Sonia.
It's pretty. Nice headboard over there. Oh, Anna. You still click these, Anna? Look at this.
Look at
the willow
this.
tree.
I found the perfect Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh, yes. We got cats.
What? I know. I have 5 cats home. Yeah. So I was.
So it would be perfect for you, right? These are so nice. I like these.
So you take disability or do you just quit?
Oh, these are chair pads. That's what that is. That's cool. These are nice. And these are big, big lamps. Interesting. Guys, I found this awesome dresser. What's nice that it has all the handles on it too. I love it. Where'd you end up finding this one too? Was this in one of your Junkin travels?
Usually we pick them up at auctions.
Nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. I love that. How you doing? Love it. All right.
I'm joking, Sonia.
I know you are. There you go.
I like to pick an adder.
I wouldn't know you any other
So
way.
who's the oldest?
I love you. You know what?
You're taller.
That question makes up for any.
She's the tallest.
Let's like go back. Rewind. Yes. She's the wisest.
Yes.
You're the older one?
Yeah, I always say the wisest.
Yeah.
You're right.
Right? Yeah.
It was pretty tough.
Which is the oldest? I'm the wisest.
More,
Is that what you mean?
start throwing out my sister.
Right?
I was
So you're the
gonna
wisest?
take-
We
what
keep them
day-
young, the younger ones do, right?
I didn't want to say.
Okay, I lied. 4th yard sale of the day, guys. This is a church yard sale, and I'm telling you, there's some amazing things in here. Oh my gosh, we had to stop. You know what I'm saying? Yes, we'll get back on the. Do you hear my GPS? Give it a moment. Guys, have you ever seen a lamp like this? Isn't that so cool? Okay, well, we've done lots of Junkin. I think we hit like 4 yard sales in all and got some really good stuff. So keep watching because, yeah, I can't wait to bring my room together and Anna's gonna help me decorate it. We're gonna paint this really cute little thing that we found today, a little stand, and it's gonna be good. Anna's over there eating lunch.
Yes.
She's got quite the...
Apparently, you know the way around here, Sonia.
Oh, you see that? I was gonna say, like, she's over there having this big old bowl of what, chicken, and
It is.
we stopped at Sheetz, so you know how you can get good food at Sheetz. So
Spicy Caesar salad.
she's having some salad, and I had to stop and buy a charger because, guys, guess what? My phone went dead. I thought maybe I had enough battery to get to the shop, which is our destination today, and we're picking along the way. But turns out that 68% wasn't enough time, not when you're running it as a GPS. So anyway, the phone went dead. So did the GPS. So now we are purely coasting
Yeah.
on.
I'm substituting
Hoping I'm
Taco
going down the
Bell
right road. Yeah.
for Caesar salad.
Listen, we were hoping to find Taco Bell along the way. I'm pretty sure I took a wrong turn somewhere. It was a scenic view, but there's no Taco Bell in sight, so we'll have to find Taco Bell. I know where there's another one. I know where this one is definitely for sure out by the shop. So getting used to the new area and the drive back and forth, because usually Matt drives, and now I'm like, GPS dead, and I'm just trying to go off memory, but that's okay. We are in the right vicinity. If you guys never hear from me again, somebody finds this lost footage, you know that we never made it, okay?
We have, what, 4 chairs, a dresser,
Yes.
tank of gas.
Yes, we're good. We got some good junk. It's all gonna be good. All right, guys, and I hopefully, yes, it's giving me the symbol that this is gonna work. The second chord today, trying to make this work. So it's all good. Guys, thank you for following along my vlog today. Hopefully you had fun as well as us here on the Junkin Travels. I'll be back again tomorrow, and we'll pick off where we leave today. And I know we're gonna get into lots of fun, huh, Anna?
We are.
Yeah, I just can't be with my sister and not have lots of fun.
It's always fun.
It is fun, yes, and we're gonna decorate
We are
too.
fun.
We are fun. You heard her. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Did you see some good junk today? And did you see any pieces that you would have brought home? Love to hear from you guys. I will see you positively again tomorrow. Do something fun for yourself today, will ya? See ya.